Hi everyone, welcome back to the studio. Today I'm going to be showing you the letter stamping kit and our leather maul. Our stamping kit displays all your letters A through Z or Z depending where you live, and numbers 1 through 9 plus 0. Our maul is nifty and pretty useful, so I'm going to show you here how to use them and a few different techniques. You're going to want to grab either a cutting board or something solid to punch on top of. As you can see here, let's pick A. This fits perfectly onto your punching wand, as it were, and there's a little press ball that keeps it in place. So no fuss, no muss. You can freestyle it like this, I'll show you here, and make sure when you're using this punching kit, you can see the recess of these letters are pretty deep, so you don't need to punch too deep here. It's maybe best to use a scrap piece before you do your real project, just to get a feel for things. And we'll freestyle it. Once you do a little mini press there, you can fit it in and give it a little extra here. So now we're getting close to maybe where we'd want it to be. As you fold your wallet or your project, some of this back pressure is going to push it out. So you want to do a little harder than you think, but not enough to actually pierce anything. That's about what we're looking for. I'm going to try to do a triple A. So you can space it by eye and eyeball it, or you can, we'll do a few different techniques here. So that's not too bad for an eyeball job. If you're making your wallet, stamping beforehand is imperative. Otherwise, you're going to be stamping into both layers of your wallet. You won't get a clean stamp and you might actually go through. So that's a pretty good job for a freestyle. I'm going to show you another tip here. You can, let's say you're doing different letters. You can just give your stamp a push as a placeholder. And the beauty with this is, as you're perfecting it, let's say you make a mistake, you can kind of push it out and start again. But the beauty of this is, this R fits back into the little recess I have. I can feel it. So now that this AR, let's say we're stamping that, we can go, looks good. I can go back to my A and finish that up. That's pretty decent. I'll show you here one more way to do this. Each of these stamps just happens to be 1/4 of an inch wide. So let's say we're going to do 3 letters. You can take something that's not sharp, draw a nice little clean line. Let's say here. See that? And this line, we're not actually scribing it. This can be pushed out after the fact. Now furthermore, I'm going to just do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This just gives us a little ledger to fit our stamps in. So this will be 1/4 inch per letter. Let's see how that fits here. Get my little stamp. And you can see how it just fits inside there. 1, 2, 3. Good. Next. Next. So that's not too bad, and I'm just going to rub out that line, and you won't see that too much. So whatever you feel most comfortable doing, always use a test scrap first and play around with it, maybe make some cool designs. So when you get your kit, you'll get all your letters and your numbers and your punch. And separately we sell our Popov leather punching maul. If you're trying to personalize your wallet for extra steez, or for example you have a luggage tag, it makes a nice personalized touch, and it's also just a fun thing to do.